Good morning. Welcome to English class. In this session, we are going to discuss the basics. We all know that English alphabet contains 26 letters. These 26 letters have been divided into two parts. One is vowels, second one is consonants. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The remaining 21 letters are consonants. We can frame the words with the help of vowels. So the words are divided, are classified into 8 parts according to their use, called parts of speech. This is 8 in number. 1. Noun, pronoun, adjective. These 3 come under noun group. Verb, adverb, verb group. Six, 7, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These 3 come under others. After knowing the parts of speech, let us discuss individually. What is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, or a thing. Examples: Rama, Krishna, Sita, Radha. Places like Srikakulam, Rajahmundry, Mumbai, Delhi, etc. Things like all visible, like pen, pencil, fan, mobile, etc. Adjective is a word which adds meaning to the noun. He is a boy. He is a brave boy. This brave is called adjective. She is a girl. She is an intelligent girl. This intelligent is an adjective. It is a rose. It is a red rose. The red is adjective. Usually, adjective comes before the noun. Then we will go for pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. We can't use the names continuously for so many times. So, for that, we can use words like I, we, you, he, she, it, they, etc. are called pronouns. Next one is verb. It is an action or a state, like play, sleep, eat, write, read, jump, walk. is a word which adds meaning to the verb. Slowly, quickly. He is running. He is running quickly. He is writing. He is writing very slowly. So, these words are called adverbs. After knowing the noun group and verb group, let us discuss others. Preposition. Preposition. It is a word which denotes the relation, the persons, things, pronouns and nouns, noun to noun, pronoun, etc. Let us take the example. The book is on the table. The pen is in the pocket. In, on, by, for, about, all these things, words come under preposition. Conjunction is a word which is used to combine the words or sentences. Rama and Krishna, Radha and Sita, pen and pencil. He tried his level best, but failed. But, so, or, and all these words are called conjunctions. The last one is interjection. Interjection is a word which denotes the strong or sudden feelings like alas, hooray, oh. These words are classified into interjections. So we discussed each and every part of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. In our next videos, we will discuss in detail the parts of speech. I request all to please subscribe our channel for further notifications. Thank you.